I'm Justin Atkins, Director of Sales for Bettendorf Stanford. For those of you who are not familiar with us, Bettendorf Stanford is really a packaging room company for the baking industry. The packaging room is where we have lived almost exclusively for the last 60 years, developing a variety of slicers and baggers, as well as blades that process a wide variety of baked goods such as loaf bread, buns and rolls, muffins, biscuits, ciabatta, bagels, biscotti, pound cake, and more. Whether you're a growing bakery looking to increase your slicing and bagging efficiency, or a global powerhouse looking to upgrade those old fully automated lines, we have the packaging room equipment to get the job done. This year at IBIE, we will have a variety of baggers as well as slicers on display. Our biggest innovations are really focused around safety, both food and personal safety, and ease of use for the operators. The most forward-thinking innovation that we will have there is on the discharge of our Servo 65 bagger. We have developed a new Servo 65 bagger with built-in metal detection and rejection that will allow you to scan the loaf after it's been inserted into the bag, but before the twist tie is applied to it. So if you find yourself in the West Hall, stop by booth 1011 to check out our latest innovations. We look forward to seeing you there, and go Chiefs!